Hey there! Planning your next adventure? I've got 25 must-have travel essentials to make your journey smoother, more organized, and stress-free. These are practical, budget-friendly, and many are on special deals right now. Don't miss out. Check the links below and let's get started. Packing made easy. These durable travel cubes help you organize your luggage by category: clothes, accessories, and toiletries, so everything stays neat and accessible. They're lightweight, durable, and maximize your suitcase space. A must-have for hassle-free trips. Save yourself from surprise overweight baggage fees with this portable luggage scale. It's compact, reliable, and can weigh up to 110 pounds. The rubber grip makes it easy to handle, and it's small enough to fit in any pocket or bag for quick access. Need more space in your luggage? These vacuum-sealed bags are perfect for compressing bulky items like clothes and blankets. Each set comes with 10 reusable bags and a hand pump, making it ideal for travelers or anyone looking to save closet space at home. Keep all your chargers, cables, and tech gadgets in one place with this water-resistant organizer. Its compact design fits perfectly in any bag, while the multiple compartments ensure everything stays secure and easy to find, even on the go. Say goodbye to wrinkles, no matter where you are. This handheld steamer heats up in just 15 seconds and delivers 10 minutes of continuous steam. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it a lifesaver for last-minute outfit fixes while traveling. These TSA-compliant silicone bottles are the perfect solution for carrying liquids like shampoo and conditioner. They're leak-proof, refillable, and designed to keep your luggage clean and organized. Travel worry-free with these essentials. Never get stranded with a dead phone again. This ultra-compact power bank features a built-in lightning connector and a 5,000 mAh capacity. It's perfect for iPhones and other devices, delivering fast and reliable charging on the go. Travel in comfort with this memory foam pillow. It provides perfect neck and head support for long flights, car rides, or even at home. The adjustable design ensures a custom fit, giving you the rest you deserve wherever you go. Protect your phone during your adventures with this IP68 rated waterproof pouch. It keeps your device safe from water, sand, and dirt while still allowing full touchscreen functionality. Bonus, it floats, so no more worries about accidental drops. This 50-liter travel backpack is perfect for any adventure. It's flight-approved, expandable, and features a built-in USB charging port. The water-resistant material and multiple compartments make it great for business, hiking, or extended trips. Enjoy uninterrupted sound with these noise-canceling headphones. They deliver crystal-clear audio, a 22-hour battery life, and Bluetooth connectivity. Perfect for flights, commutes, or just relaxing with your favorite tunes. Stay cozy on the go with this versatile 2-in-1 blanket and pillow. Made of ultra-soft fabric, it's perfect for planes, cars, or even camping. The compact design includes a travel bag that doubles as a pillowcase for added convenience. This extra-large laundry bag is perfect for travelers or dorm life. With 115 liters of capacity, durable straps, and a top-loading design, it's ideal for hauling clothes on camping trips or keeping dirty laundry separate during long vacations. Charge all your devices with this compact travel adapter. Compatible with outlets in over 150 countries, it features 4 USB ports, including a USB-C port, so you can charge multiple gadgets at once without hassle. Be prepared for any emergency with this professional first aid kit. It includes 350 essential items for cuts, burns, and more, all in a durable, compact case that's perfect for travel, camping, or keeping at home. Travel light with these individually wrapped 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner sachets. They're easy to pack, mess-free, and perfect for hotels, camping trips, or as backups in your carry-on bag. This versatile carry-on bag keeps your clothes wrinkle-free and your essentials organized. It includes compartments for shoes, accessories, and garments, making it ideal for short trips or weekend getaways. Stay dry anywhere with these quick-drying camping towels. Made from ultra-soft microfiber, they're compact, absorbent, and perfect for travel, swimming, hiking, or the gym. A travel pouch is included for easy storage. Protect your watch and style with this portable travel case. It fits all wristwatches and smartwatches up to 50 millimeters, keeping them secure and scratch-free. Perfect for business trips or vacations. Stay cool no matter where you are with this powerful handheld fan. It features 5 adjustable speeds, up to 22 hours of cooling time, and a compact design that's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or daily use. Add an extra layer of security to your hotel or apartment with this portable door lock. Easy to install, it provides privacy and peace of mind, making it a great travel companion. Keep mosquitoes and ticks at bay with this long-lasting insect repellent. The scent-free formula is safe and effective, perfect for camping, hiking, or summer trips. Cut drying time and keep your clothes soft with these reusable wool dryer balls. Eco-friendly and chemical-free, they're a great alternative to dryer sheets for home or travel. Protect your skin with this easy-to-apply sunscreen stick. It's water-resistant, non-greasy, and provides broad-spectrum SPF 50+ protection. Perfect for beach trips or daily sun defense, stay hydrated with this insulated water bottle that filters out over 220 contaminants, including lead and chlorine. Durable, BPA-free, and perfect for travel or outdoor activities. These travel essentials will transform your trips and make life so much easier. Don't miss out on the special deals. Check the links below to grab your favorites now and make your next adventure unforgettable.